How can I help my child with English? There is hope. We will give you 20 important tips. Start early. Introduce your child to English rhymes, songs, and stories as early as possible. Surround your child with English material like picture books, flashcards, and posters on their bedroom wall or around the house. Use playtime as learning time by naming the toys and describing the actions. Encourage your child to repeat the words. Label everyday items around the house in English to reinforce vocabulary. Cook together and name the ingredients and utensils while cooking. Create an English treasure box full of activities for special language time. Go shopping together and mention everything in English. Encourage your child to repeat the names. Encourage your child to speak English to strangers and praise every small achievement. Make sure that you know the person with whom your child is speaking. Play language games like I Spy or Simon Says to promote language skills and promote vocabulary. Encourage storytelling even if your child tells you his daily news. Listen attentively without interrupting too much. Ensure your child knows the correct pronunciation of the English alphabet sounds by watching and learning from a reputable source. Start early and teach your child that it is okay to have a different accent and that we must respect people with different English accents. Create flashcards with letters and pictures to match to use on a regular basis to help your child get familiar with all the English phonics. Read stories and encourage your child to sound out the words or even try to read sentences. For bigger kids, use magnetic letters or letter blocks for hands-on learning. Encourage your child to mimic the phonetic sounds you make. Rhyming games are a great way to encourage language development and recognize similar sounds. Go on a scavenger hunt around the house to find all the phonics. Watch age-appropriate educational videos. Learning English can be difficult and takes time. Be patient and maintain a consistent language routine. You've already taken the first steps in encouraging your child to improve in English. You can do it. Do you know we have loads more fun, colorful, child-friendly, compelling educational videos on our Pleasant Memories Education YouTube channel? Come on, push that subscribe button. I know you want to. It is free.